Hello students, hope you people are enjoying the concept of this decimals. If you are unable to clear the concept, you must go back and see all the videos of the topic decimals once again so that you must clarify your concept. Otherwise, in higher classes, much more typical questions come in which we must use decimals. So for that purpose, you must clear your concept in this class about decimals. Now today we are going to discuss about addition and subtraction of decimal numbers. There are two methods. One, like class 1 2 boys, means write down one above other and do the addition. And though you are in senior classes, you must behave, must do some matured way so that you can get a perfect get a perfect remark from your teachers. So I must discuss both the method. It's up to you which method you use, but I must recommend that use the method as your class wise. So let's start. Today I am going to discuss about addition. So I am choosing two. You have one question that we have to add these numbers. We have to add 9.3 times 9, 9.999 with the number 0.3. Take 0.03. Question says that add this. Clear? How we add? The very first or easiest method, write down given decimal numbers one above other such that decimal numbers lie just below to each other. Like in this case we have 0 to 0 decimal. Decimal numbers are just below to each other. Then 0 3. What we are observing that these two are not like decimal numbers, so convert them into like decimal numbers. For that we have to add 10 at the end of 3. Now question says that add, so use plus sign. 9 plus 0 9, 9 plus 3 12, 2 1 carry, 9 plus 1 10, 0 1 carry, decimal is there, place the decimal, then 9 plus 1 10. This is your simplest method to solve the do the addition. But if question asks 3 or more than 3, then what? Then you have to do the column wise. This column method is beneficial for you only the addition, not for subtraction. For subtraction, if there are 3 or 4 decimal numbers, then it will create problem for you. For that we discuss the second method. The second method says that this is the second method. It's you must write down all the given numbers in this form. Then we check that whether the numbers are in like form or not. If not, convert them into like decimal numbers. So in this case, clear. Now add them. 9, just see, we start from right hand side. 9 plus 0, it's a 9. 9 plus 3, it's a 12. 1 carry. 9 plus 0 9, 9, and that 1 carry 10. 1 carry, then place the decimal 10. Likewise, this needs practice. Once you are able to solve likewise, these type of questions are easier for you. So we'll discuss some more questions for addition. I'm choosing one add four different decimal numbers. It's a 8.79 plus 23.001 plus 5.41 and then plus it's a 0.875. What is our first one? We have to convert into like decimal numbers. So after decimal 2 digit, 3 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit. So we have to convert all the numbers into like decimal by adding 0 at the end of the decimal numbers. For that we can write down clear. Now all are in like form. Now it's easier for us so add or subtract when we discuss subtraction. So we always remember that this line is very important for doing the addition, subtraction, etc. Now 0 plus 1 plus 0 plus 5, it's a 6. Then 9 plus 0, 9, 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 7, 17, 7, 1 carry. Now come to the 3.7 plus 1, 8, plus 0, 8, plus 4, 12, plus 8, 20. 2 carry. If 2 carry is there, then 8 plus 2, 10, 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 3, 13, 13 plus 5, 18. 8 decimal is there, then 8, 1 carry, 2, 1, 3. 38.076. This is the addition of this one. Let's check whether there is a mistake or not. Now we are going to discuss about subtraction. In subtraction, first we do this by using decimal that column method, then we use that separate one. So for that, choose one easiest question. Subtract 19.01 minus 12.234. We have to subtract this one. So if we use column method, what we use? 19.01 and 12.234. We have to do the subtraction. So how we subtract? First we make them into like decimal numbers. So 10, 0 is there, 10 minus 4, it's a 6, 0 is there, 0 is there, so 1 carry from this one, 10 minus 3, 7, 9 minus 2, 7 point, 7 is there, sorry, 8 is there, 8 to 6, so your answer is 6.776. This is by using column method. Similarly, we can use that row wise method, and I suggest you use that one. For that, for you, I am going to solve another question by using the second method that I prefer you. So we'll start. It's a 7.4 2.19. 7.4 minus 2.19 minus 0.456 minus 3.5. Clear? Now what is our work? First convert them into like decimal. 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit, 1 digit. Highest is your 3 digit. So we can write down 7.400 minus 2.190 minus 0.456 minus 3.500. Now once we are able to convert into like decimal form, then we can easily do the subtraction. Now in this case there are three numbers with negative sign and one number is positive sign. Always remember that same sign must be added. Same sign must be added. Here we have three negative signs, so these number must be added and then we subtract from the remaining one. So for that, always you must remember that same sign must be added. Same sign numbers having same signs, we are going to add them. Use minus sign. There are three negative sign numbers, so we have to add these three negative numbers. 0 plus 6 plus 0, use 6. 9 plus 5 14, 14 plus 0 4, 1 carry, 1 plus 1 2 plus 4 6 plus 5 11, 1 carry, then we have to write use decimal, then 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 3 6. Now we must do the subtraction by using these two. They are in like decimal numbers. So 10 minus 6, it's a 4. 9 minus 4, it's a 5. 3 3 minus 1, it's a 2. Then we have decimal and then we have 1. Its answer is 1.254. So I hope this method is you can understand. Always remember that first we make them into like decimal numbers, then we check that how many same sign numbers we have. So we must add the same sign numbers. Here there are three negative numbers, so we add these three negative numbers with the same sign negative, then we do the subtraction. Now if there are more, here we have three negative numbers, suppose we have two negative and two positive numbers, then how we'll do? I discuss one more question from that type. Okay, we are going to discuss one question in which we have two positive and two negative numbers. That question is your 19.27 minus 3.6 minus 8.812 plus it is 0.84. We are going to solve this question. So what is our work? First make them convert into like decimal numbers. We have 19.270 minus 3.600, because we know that highest decimal after decimal number highest digits are 3. So once again 8.812 plus 0.840. Now when we start, first group same sign numbers together. So use extra line minus 3.600 minus 8.812. Now add them together. So this time I am going to use first 0 plus 0, 7 plus 4 11, 1 carry, 7 2 plus 1 3, 8 11, 1 carry, 9 plus 1 10, 1 carry, 1 plus 1 2, 20.110 minus that side, it's a 2 1, 0 plus 2 1, 0 plus 1 1, 8 plus 6 14, 1 carry, 3 plus 1 4, 8 12. Now then next one is your, we do the subtraction. 10 minus 2, it's 8, 0 is there, 1 carry, 10 minus 1, it's 9, again 0 is there, 1 carry from this place. So what we have 10 minus 4 6. Now here we have 9, so 9 minus 2 7, This is your answer. Now there is a word problem. I am going to discuss only one word problem. Rest of you solve by your one, and I give you some task. This question says that what number added to 0.756 gives you 1? Question says that what number added to 0.756 gives 1. So what is the question? Number, what is the number? Question marks for added to 0.756 gives result 1. Means what? We have to find out the number which we add to this to receive this. This is the result. This is one number. So second number is there. Number is equals to 1 minus 0.756. 0.76 is the number. Now in this case we made them in convert them into like decimals. Since zeros are there, this zero need one carry. So if we pass this one to this side, this becomes 9 and give 1 0 over there, and again 1 gives this becomes 10. 10 minus 6, it's a 4. 9 minus 5, again it's a 4. Then 9 minus 7, again it's 2. So 0.244, this is your answer. Now that's all for today. All of you must complete exercise 7.3 of your book. Exercise 7.3. There are only 4 questions, and in those 4 questions there are some sub questions are there, but I am going to ask you one question from you. What is the this time my question is with you. Now, your today's task little bit toughest one. You have to find out the answer of this one. So it's your today's task. Clear? This is your today's task. You must solve this one and write down your answer just in your comment box. Once you are able to see the complete video, then you are able to give the answer. I must tally your views with the total time so that I can easily catch you that you are bluffing or not. That's all for today. Thank you.